stuff like that.
Sparkle. Yeah, that sounds like when my parents smoked cigarettes.
My dad didn't believe in hearing protection when I was a kid running a chainsaw or shooting guns, and then Uncle Sam blew things up in my ear.
Yeah. You know what?
Hope it's gonna sparkle. I don't know if it'll sparkle, but it'll sure look like it with the light on it.
You make a valid point there, young man. I did the same thing, because loud music and loud...
Do you want us to sing, you really want us to sing all together?
Yeah.
Before or after?
Alright, sing now.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kay.
She wanted it.
Happy birthday to you. And many more. Hooray! Nice job,
Kate, I think Joey has a present for you.
I have a present. This is for you.
We're very appropriate.